Have you ever reached the end of the day feeling completely exhausted, yet somehow the one thing that really mattered still didn't get done? If you're a busy professional, you probably know that feeling all too well. Between meetings, emails, errands, family responsibilities, and trying to stay healthy, it can feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day. I used to think I had a time management problem, but after reading the book Make Time by Jake Knapp and John Zeratsky, I realized I actually had an attention problem. This book completely changed how I think about productivity. It's not about doing more, it's about making time for what matters most. Here are the 5 biggest lessons I learned. Lesson 1. Choose one, highlight, every day. Instead of trying to complete everything on your to-do list, choose one thing that will make your day feel meaningful. Ask yourself, if I only accomplish one important thing today, what would it be? For me, it could be finishing a project, going for a walk, reading a chapter of a book, or spending quality time with family. Once I started focusing on one priority instead of 10, I felt less overwhelmed and more accomplished. Lesson 2. Protect your attention. Today, everyone wants a piece of our attention. Emails, messages, social media, notifications, they constantly interrupt us. The book reminded me that every distraction has a cost. Now, when I'm working on something important, I put my phone on silent, close unnecessary tabs, and focus on one task at a time. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference. Lesson 3. Your energy matters more than your schedule. We often say we don't have enough time, but sometimes what we're really missing is energy. When I'm tired, even simple tasks feel difficult. That's why I've started making walking, getting enough sleep, drinking more water, and taking breaks part of my daily routine. The better I feel, the better I work. Lesson 4. Small habits beat big plans. One of my favorite ideas from this book is that you don't need to change your entire life overnight. You just need to start small. Read 5 pages, walk for 10 minutes, work with full focus for 25 minutes. Small habits are easier to stick with, and over time, they create big results. Progress doesn't come from perfection, it comes from consistency. Lesson 5. Make time for the life you actually want. This was the lesson that stayed with me the most. Being busy doesn't automatically mean you're living a meaningful life. It's easy to get caught up in work and responsibilities while forgetting the things that truly matter: our health, relationships, hobbies, and dreams. The life we want doesn't appear when we're less busy. We have to intentionally make time for it. That simple mindset shift has helped me become more intentional with how I spend each day. If there's one thing this book taught me, it's this: don't let your schedule decide your life. Decide what matters first, then make time for it. If you're constantly feeling busy but want to build a healthier, more intentional life, I highly recommend reading Make Time. I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you'll make time for this week? Leave your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoy videos about productivity, healthy habits, walking challenges, and creating more freedom in life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Next Chapter Freedom. Remember, work with intention, travel more, and live fully. I'll see you in the next one.